I want to read you something. This is a direct quote from the American Journal of Kidney Diseases. The majority of patients diagnosed with moderate to severe chronic kidney disease report experiencing no symptoms whatsoever in the 5 to 10 years prior to diagnosis. 5 to 10 years. Your kidneys could have been quietly breaking down since your early 50s, and your body never sent a single alarm. No pain, no signal. You went to work, you laughed with your family, you slept in your bed. And the entire time, silently, your kidneys were losing ground. They may never recover. Now, here's the question that should stop you completely. What if that has already been happening to you? Not what if it might happen, what if it already has? The fatigue you blame on age, the puffiness around your eyes each morning, the heaviness in your lower back, the mental fog. What if none of that is aging? What if it is your kidneys asking you for the last time to pay attention? I am going to show you exactly how to answer that call. 3 steps, every morning, starting tomorrow. Stay with me. Every word in this video matters. My name is Dr. Miles, 13 years in clinical practice, and I want to tell you something I rarely say publicly. The sickest patients I've ever treated were not people who ignored their health. They were people who thought they were being careful, eating a balanced diet, taking vitamins, walking 20 minutes a day, doing everything right by the information available to them. And still, their kidneys were failing because the information most people receive about kidney health is incomplete. It tells you to reduce salt, drink more water, and avoid painkillers. Those things matter, but they ignore the most critical variable of all: timing. Specifically, what you do, eat, and how you move in the first 90 minutes of every morning. Your kidneys are not like your heart or lungs. They do not cramp. They do not wheeze. They filter quietly, continuously processing 200 liters of blood every single day through organs the size of your fists. And when they begin to fail, they do it the same way they do everything else. Quietly. The National Kidney Foundation, 2023, estimates 37 million Americans are living with chronic kidney disease. 9 in 10 do not know it. The morning is where everything happens. The first 90 minutes after you wake up determine more about your kidney health than anything else you do for the remaining 22 hours. Every morning is either medicine or poison for your kidneys. Most people over 60, without knowing it, have been choosing poison. Today, that changes. Before I show you these 3 steps, if you are not subscribed to this channel, stop right now and subscribe. What I share here is not in a Google search. It is not what your doctor covers in a 7-minute appointment. It is 13 years of clinical knowledge delivered directly to you, the information that most physicians only discuss behind closed doors, in medical conferences, in journals that patients never read. My next video reveals a specific combination of 2 foods that millions of seniors eat together every morning. Individually harmless, but together they create a toxic load your kidneys cannot process. If you are not subscribed, you will never see it. You will not find it, and you will not know. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Then, let us begin. Step 1. The morning kidney flush. While you sleep, your kidneys never stop working. But without fluid for 7 to 8 hours, the waste they filter urea, creatinine, uric acid becomes concentrated. By the time your alarm sounds, metabolic waste in your blood is at its highest level of the entire day. And most people over 60 immediately reach for coffee, which further concentrates the very toxins their kidneys are desperately trying to clear. Research from the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, 2021, found that adults over 60 who consumed targeted alkaline fluids within 15 minutes of waking showed a 24% improvement in morning creatinine clearance. From one change, in the first 15 minutes, make this drink the moment you wake up. 1 glass of warm water, juice of half a lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of food-grade baking soda, a small pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Stir slowly. Drink within 10 minutes. The warm water triggers renal vasodilation blood vessels to the kidneys open wider. The lemon citrate inhibits kidney stone formation by up to 30%. The baking soda sodium bicarbonate was shown in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology to slow kidney disease progression by 36%, with measurable reversal in early-stage patients. The mineral salt replenishes the electrolytes your kidneys regulate from the first minute of the day. 1 drink, 4 ingredients, 10 minutes. That is step 1. Mr. Charles Mensa came to me at 67, retired school principal, GFR of 34. His wife brought him after a routine blood test. He looked at me and said, "Dr. Miles, I feel completely fine. How is this possible?" I told him, feeling fine is not the same as being well. I gave him this morning's flush. Nothing else changed first. In 90 days, his GFR had risen to 46. His nephrologist described it as clinically unusual. At 6 months, he was 51. He came to that appointment and placed a note on my desk. His wife had written it. It said, "Thank you for giving me my husband back." That note is still in my desk drawer. What is the first thing you drink every morning? Coffee? Tea? Nothing? Tell me in the comments. Your answer might help someone else watching this right now make a decision that saves their kidneys. Step 2, the renal reset. 5 minutes of targeted movement. There is a physiological event that happens to everyone over 60 every single morning that directly damages kidney function, and almost no one discusses it. It is called the morning blood pressure surge. When you transition from sleep to waking, your blood pressure rises sharply. For the small, delicate arterioles feeding your kidney's filtering units, the glomeruli, this surge creates a pressure spike that, over time, scars and stiffens those vessels permanently. The Journal of the American Medical Association, 2020, confirmed this surge is a primary, independent predictor of accelerated kidney decline, more predictive than average blood pressure throughout the day. It is the spike that causes damage. And the American Heart Association, 2022, found that gentle, structured movement within 20 minutes of waking reduces that surge by up to 28%. Do this sequence immediately after your morning drink. Minute 1, kidney percussion. Standing. Make soft fists. Tap gently and rhythmically along your lower back beneath the rib cage, both sides of the spine for 60 seconds. Studies from Beijing University of Chinese Medicine, 2019, show this improves renal blood flow markers within 2 minutes. Minute 2, spinal rotation. Seated in a firm chair. Slowly rotate your upper body right, hold 4 seconds. Return. Rotate left, hold 4 seconds. Repeat 6 times each side. This releases lumbar compression on the renal arteries. Minute 3, diaphragm breathing. Right hand on chest, left on belly. Inhale through your nose for 5 counts, only your belly rises. Hold 3. Exhale through mouth for 7. Repeat 6 times. Deep diaphragm activation reduces inflammatory load directly on kidney tissue. Minute 4, heel raises. Standing behind a chair, rise slowly onto your toes. Hold 3 seconds. Lower. Repeat 12 times. This activates the calf muscle pump, returning blood from the legs back toward the kidneys. Minute 5, slow indoor walk. Walk slowly, one end of the room to the other, for 60 seconds. No speed. This completes your cardiovascular transition from sleep to waking gently, protecting those kidney arterioles from the surge. 5 minutes. No gym, no equipment, just 5 minutes between your kidneys taking another hit and your kidneys beginning to repair. Mrs. Patricia Olu was 73 with stage 3 chronic kidney disease. 4 physicians had told her the same thing: reduce sodium, drink more water. She did all of it. Every 6 months, her numbers declined anyway. She sat across from me and said, "Dr. Miles, is this just what getting old looks like? Is this what I have to accept?" I said, "I do not believe in accepting decline that has not been correctly treated." I introduced this movement sequence. She set 2 alarms, one to wake up, one to remind her to move before doing anything else. At 3 months, her kidney filtration rate had not declined, for the first time in 4 years. In 6 months, it had improved by 7 points. She told me, "I feel like I got my future back." I told her, "You did not get it back. You built it. Every morning. For 180 mornings in a row." Do you feel lower back stiffness or heaviness when you first wake up? Write yes or no in the comments. That stiffness is a signal, and I will explain exactly what it means in my next video. Step 3. The 90-minute kidney protection window. This is the step that will make some of you angry, because what I'm about to describe is something millions of seniors do every morning, believing it is healthy, while their kidneys pay a devastating price. During sleep, your kidneys run their most important filtration cycle, clearing metabolic waste, rebalancing blood chemistry, managing fluid distribution. This process does not finish when you open your eyes. It runs for 60 to 90 minutes after waking. When you eat high-protein food during that window, eggs, meat, dairy, protein shakes, your kidneys receive a signal to abandon that cycle and immediately begin processing protein waste. The result is glomerular hyperfiltration. Your filtering units are overdriven beyond their capacity. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2021, found that high-protein morning intake in adults over 60 elevated glomerular stress markers by 41% compared to the same protein eaten after 10 a.m. Same food, same quantity. The damage was entirely in the timing. You are not eating the wrong food. You are eating the right food at the catastrophically wrong moment, every single morning. During the first 90 minutes after waking, eat only kidney-supportive foods. Fresh watermelon, 92% water, contains citrulline, shown to dilate renal blood vessels. Soaked overnight oats, soluble fiber that binds waste before it reaches your kidneys. Cucumber, fresh papaya, coconut water for potassium. A small handful of unsalted pumpkin seeds for magnesium, shown by the Clinical Kidney Journal, 2020, to protect kidney tubule cell membranes. After 90 minutes, your kidneys have completed their overnight cycle. Now eat your eggs, your protein, your full breakfast. You have not eliminated anything. You've simply given your kidneys the window they needed to finish their work first. Mr. Emmanuel Boateng was 61 when he came to me in controlled panic, GFR of 26. His nephrologist had already referred him to a dialysis center for orientation. He sat across from me and said, "Dr. Miles, I am not ready for this. Tell me there is something I have not tried." I asked him to walk me through his morning. He woke at 6:30, drank black coffee. Then, at 7 a.m., a large protein shake, 2 boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, every morning. He was proud of it. I said, "Your breakfast is excellent nutrition, but you are delivering it to your kidneys at the worst possible moment. They are being ambushed before they are ready." He looked at me and said, "Are you telling me my healthy breakfast was destroying my kidneys?" I said, "Not breakfast. The timing." He followed all 3 steps without a single exception for 4 months. In 90 days, his GFR rose from 26 to 38. His nephrologist postponed the dialysis orientation. At 6 months, GFR of 44, the dialysis referral was formally closed. I did not save Mr. Boateng's kidneys. His consistency did. I simply showed him where the damage was coming from. Be honest in the comments. What do you eat in the first 30 minutes of waking up? Write it out. Someone reading your comment right now might recognize their own morning. This could be the moment everything changes for them. I've been building a case for you in this video. The evidence. Your kidneys are the most silently vulnerable organs in your body after 60. The morning is the most critical window for either accelerating damage or beginning repair. And the 3 steps I just gave you are not experimental. They are drawn from peer-reviewed research and validated in the bodies of patients who sat in my office exactly as frightened as you may feel right now. The verdict is simple. You have a choice. Wake up tomorrow the same way you woke up this morning. Same drink, no movement, same early breakfast, and your kidneys take the same silent damage they have been taking for years. Or you give them a different morning, starting tomorrow. Step 1. The morning kidney flush. Warm water, lemon, baking soda, mineral salt within 10 minutes of waking. Step 2. The 5-minute renal reset within 20 minutes of waking. Protect your kidney arterioles from the surge that damages them every single day. Step 3. The 90-minute protection window. No heavy protein until your kidneys have finished their overnight cycle. The patients who recovered were not special. They were not lucky. They were consistent. Consistency is the only medicine that cannot be prescribed. It can only be chosen. Choose it tomorrow morning. Share this video right now with someone over 60 in your life. You now know something about their kidneys that they do not know about their own body. That knowledge carries a responsibility. Honor it and subscribe if you have not already. Turn on the bell. My next video reveals the specific blood test number your doctor checks at every appointment, a number most patients ignore. That is the single most accurate early warning signal for kidney decline. Knowing it could give you years of advance warning. If you are not subscribed, you will not see it. You found this video for a reason. Do not waste that reason. Tomorrow morning, your kidneys get a new beginning. Make sure you are ready to give it to them. This is Dr. Miles. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.